All right, so there's two ways we can save our files in Photoshop. It's not the same as Lightroom, doesn't save automatically. So every time you close down Photoshop, you need to save it. Okay, so there's two ways. If you aren't done saving and it's something that you need to continue working on tomorrow when you get into class, you go File, Save As on the computer, and then name it what the name of the assignment is. So what is this one? Talking to myself. Okay. And then make sure you save it somewhere where you know you're going to be able to find it. So your downloads, your documents, wherever it is. So documents, make sure it's a Photoshop file, and then save. If you are done, it's file, export, quick export as a PNG. Same process, make sure it says PNG, name the assignment, make sure you know where it's going to save. So I'm going to put it in my documents folder, save. If I go down to my file folder down here at the bottom and I go to documents, both of them are here. I have the Photoshop file, the PSD file that I can continue working on, and then I have the PNG file, which is the finished file that I'm going to turn in. And then I can grab both of these, open up my Google Drive, and then drag them into my Google Drive.